Hi guys, welcome back to VEXCode VR. And this time I'm going to teach you how to use the drivetrain commands. So let's take a look at the drivetrains here. So as you can see here, we have the different commands under drivetrain. So let's try drive forward. Let's do programming here. Drive forward for 200 millimeters and then stop driving. Okay, so let's start the simulation. Okay, so as you can see here, we can restart. You can see here the robot will move for about 200 millimeters. Alright, so that's how you do programming in this type of simulation. So let's try to add something here. Maybe turn right for about 90 degrees and then drive forward. Oh, by the way, you can also change the measurement here. You can choose inches and then let's lessen this one. Let's try 20 inches and then stop driving and then restart and then play, and it's moving. Alright, so restart again. Also, we can change the view here. Okay, so you can scroll in and scroll out with your mouse. Okay, and then start. So yeah, that's it. So if you want to add more drivetrain commands, you simply pull down this command here and then you simply insert here. For example, turn right again for 90 degrees and then yeah, so simply drive forward for 200 millimeters, make it inches. Let's try to make it maybe 3 inches and then stop driving. Okay, so we can reset and then start again. Yeah, so by the way, you can change the type of field here. So I'm using the grid map. Well, you can change to, let's say, number grid map and then let it load. Okay, so as you can see here, it's moving already. So that's it. So that's for drivetrain, guys. I hope you enjoy and you start doing programming. Best of luck.